When I say mechanical installation, you're already thinking commercial. That's the farthest thing from the truth. This is a great clamp for residential applications, and we've even created a checklist to help you understand how. But before we get started, I just want to make a point. You don't excavate your projects by hand. You typically have an excavator, a mini skid steer, or something on the job site to assist in doing so. Similar to when we're laying pavers, we all need something to help us assist lay those pavers more efficiently, more effectively, and with a lot less manhandling products. That's where the Multi-6 comes in. It's a great investment. Trust me, it'll pay you back again and again. I want to be straight with you. We're in the business of helping people. Yes, do I want you to purchase the Multi-6? 100%, because I believe it will help you, it'll help your employees, and it'll help with overall revenue for your companies. All right, so let's jump into the checklist. We have 4 things on this checklist that we're going to run through when justifying to bring out this clamp. Number 1 on the list is, do we have an excavator on the site to hook up to the Multi-6? Excavator, skid steer, or machine that is adequate to hook up to the Multi-6. Within that is, what's the square footage that we believe this clamp should get set up and used on? And that's 100 square feet. Please watch the video on the screen that shows you exactly how that math works out and how it justifies bringing out the clamp at that 100 square foot. Number 2, one of the most frequently asked questions is, can your product be laid mechanically? The first rule of thumb within that, does the product stand upright? So take a paver, stand it upright, and even if you can stack a couple on top of each other, the clamp can pick it up if it stays upright. Would it look good to lay it? So if you take that product, you grab that product and you lay it in the ground, is it going to be aesthetically pleasing? Or can you swap a couple pieces to get it to interlock and it looks aesthetically pleasing at that point? Or can you side shift it? Is it a running bond pattern? Do the manufacturers lay it in a herringbone pattern on the pallet? So there's lots of those little factors, but again, rule of thumb is paver stands upright, you can pick it. Now you just got to make the decision on whether you can lay it that way. Number 3, how is the job site access and what's the complexity of the project? Job site access, can you get the machine that's hooked up to the Multi-6 to where you're installing? The other part of that is the complexity. So is there inlays? Is there a lot of different products? There's a lot of different things going on that would justify that it might not be the best for that application. Which brings me to number 4. Can the product be fronted, meaning can the clamp actually haul the product for you over to the guys installing it, where they're using backpack equipment or clamps to lay those pieces into place? That's still going to help speed up efficiencies as well as help your guys' backs. So if you found this checklist to be extremely helpful, please look down in the description below. There's a link to access this, as well as if you have any questions at all, please give us a call. On the screen is the number. You're going to get a hold of Elias. He's our Optima specialist specializing in equipment like this. He's going to be able to work through any problems, concerns, or questions that you might have and get you set up for success. Thanks again for watching.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.